people. We did a lot of things in our past. You know, these are just facts, right? We did a lot of things in our past to a lot of people, and people that are still around today. There are people that are due a certain type of respect, and if not financial reparation, ideological and an understanding type of reparation. So we must understand how we got here, what we did to become this country, and what we can do to make up for the problems that we've created for ourselves and be better as a whole. Again, this isn't just for one type of subscription, this isn't one type of agency, but this is for everybody as a country, whether that be United States or whatever that means to be American and beyond. So thank you all for coming together as one people today and believing in something. I guess that's music. This song's called Made in America. We are the melanin felons, we are the product of plundering policy that you gotta love. Casinos, amigos on 40 acres, they built the shit on our backs, made in America. Living in terror all while they terrorize. So cover your eyes, cause people terrified. And fuck all the promises you were promised, cause they're cutting your oxygen till you paralyzed. Where we land is where we fall. All for one, not for all. No stars, dead bodies on the boulevard. Cop cars, true killers, and they still Lord. Where we land is where we fall. Home of the big bodies and wide blocks. The government giving ghettos that crack rock. Making quotas on baking soda and mad shot. This ain't no theory, I saw it happen on my block. Homie Hector selling heroin from 9 to 5. My brother's burning down the block and Rodney almost died. We giving thanks for measles, blankets, and genocide. They call it cleaning up the streets, we call it homicide. Where we land is where we fall. All for one and none for all. Thank you so much, y'all.